All right, so this is a mimosa tree, and a lot of you are probably familiar with the mimosa tree, but we're going to talk about these, and we're going to talk about two other types of mimosa that you may not have seen before, so stay tuned. All right, look at this. Let's start off here. This is summer chocolate mimosa, and the leaves on this one start off kind of green, but as they mature and get more sunlight throughout the summer, they turn into this rich chocolatey color, which is really cool and really unique. And the blooms are pretty similar to the standard mimosa tree, that light pink color, but I've got one more to show you too. This one is even cooler. So this has the same foliage as the chocolate mimosa, but the blooms are red on this and they're fragrant, like really sweet fragrant. This one is called Evie's Pride. I've also seen it called Evry's Pride, but I think it is Evie's Pride. But if you look online, there's a few different names for it. And that fragrant bloom, the darker foliage, make this a really handsome mimosa. Now, some of you might hate mimosas because you might live somewhere where they can become invasive, such as Alabama. And you will see them growing along roadsides and other places because their seeds can spread and cause these trees to grow outside of landscapes. Now, where we live, though, it's a different climate and we don't have that problem here. You don't see them just taking over in different forested areas. They stay where they're put and they make for a nice, handsome landscape tree here in Northwest Texas where we are. So if you're interested in mimosa, check with your local garden centers, maybe check with your local county extension agent or somebody that knows whether or not they're going to be problematic in your area. And definitely check out the standard mimosa versus the chocolate mimosa and Evie's Pride, which I think is my favorite.